Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this rebound swing effect on your videos on Capcut. So if you want to create this rebound swing effect, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on New Project. Now here, you want to go ahead and take a video, tap Add. Now to create a rebound swing effect on this video, go ahead and select it, then tap on Effects. Now tap on Video Effects, and here you go ahead and search for the rebound swing effect. It looks like that. So this is the effect you're looking for. Go ahead and tap on this, tap on Adjust, and now you can go ahead and adjust the intensity, size, and the speed. Once you're happy, tap Tick, and now that rebound effect has been applied to that video. So there you go guys, that is how to apply the rebound swing effect on your video on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.